Unong ay boy katanat social welfare ubak po lingdo ulaong baka Sorkar jela kadang syong Pyrkhat banwan ra no dakaan kabante lakam hakabaya de jingkynnoh Menshohnoh Nongaiksuid hakajela. Habakran siya kilat patay kubor hakakat way tarik na iwing ubak pol ulaong baka nagaday kakam kabakatanat an kahapan pendan kam yakijing mo jing Pyrkhat jongka. Namar hakaway kalyang ngidon kibakum kini kijingle jingkam beper kibala rimba bat hakajuk kapor kibamyahap satya bat kajingsen syar jongkaan. Katkum kajing ong jong u kani kakam kabayade baka jingdon kam yakaan pyrshah Menshohnoh Nongaiksuid kadon kam yakajinga selok bat ki Autonomous District Council ADC bat katanat an. Kumta kadai kamat kabayade bha bat ka kabangila sakhi haduk menta menne watla kajingdon jong kibakum kini kijingja kilakam duna na duk kini kisnam kibalalen bat nginget scam balada don kam ya kabakum kani kaan bakandan kam de satya tangka Sorkar jela ngidon ru eki EDC kibadan ya katanat an haki council ngin don kam ya kaan lingba kajinga selok bat ki EDC kanang bangin la bermenra ya kaan ka Sorkar jela nida ki EDC hi kibadan haka kerdan ban thaw an bat lingba ka Sorkar jela ban yo ya kajing menjur jong ulad ong ubak pol lingdoa. Ubak pol ulak doru halur ka jingja badang shen hakli shnong sokra hakabaki pulit mardor kilala ban ajingada ya kalongying bat ki para marjan na kajing syak bom shnong hakabala kem no ru ya kendiat ngut kibriu bat pengat eki hagi kendon baper jongkaan. Katanat social welfare kalami syakman kala ajingada ya kalongying bat pentikna na kabenta kajing shngan jongki. Kini kilanot menta kila let par shalaying hadian bagiladan hapadeng kajing snusngan ong ubak pol.
See, this is a matter that the law department has to, apply its mind. Because on the one hand, we have these various practices which are primordial, very ancient. And at the same time, these are not in conformity with the rule of law, whether you talk of the spirit or the letter of the rule of law. Therefore, it is a very pertinent point. What we have noticed so far, though, is that the number of such cases has dwindled over the years, and we are confident that if the need arises for such a law to be in place, it is not only the state government, we also have the autonomous district councils, which also have law departments in those councils, and we will need a law which through consultation with the ADCs, we can come up with a state law, or the ADCs themselves are in a position to legislate and then through the state department, through the state government, get the governor's assent to such legislations. Well, if you recall the latest incident that had happened at Sorkar, the police in fact acted swiftly, prevented an entire family and their neighbors, numbering around 30, from being lynched. And not only that, 9 perpetrators and instigators of that crime have already been arrested and booked under different sections of the law. That apart, immediately after the incident, the Social Welfare Department stepped in, rescued those families. We took care of them and ensured that they were under safe custody of the Department of Social Welfare. And I'm happy to share with you that it is only yesterday that these victims have gone back to their homes because they felt that now there is complete normalcy and they can return back to their village.